Good morning, children. Welcome back. I hope you all are well and fine. Today we will do the 10th chapter of Class 1 Mathematics, Time. So we will do the 10th chapter, which is Time. So the day begins with the rising sun in the morning. When you get up, you see that the sun has risen. We go to school in the morning and we also do various activities during the day. The sun rises in the morning, you wake up in the morning, get ready and go to school. On the other hand, children, when the sun sets, it is dark all around. The sun sets in the evening, and when it is dark all around, it is night time. In night time, you can see the moon and stars in the sky. So children, you can see moon and stars in the sky at night. We all sleep during night. So when do you sleep? We sleep during night time and we wake up in the morning. Then children, all of you see exercise 1 of your mathematics book, page number 127. Match the pictures with the correct time. So what you have to do? You have to match. See, a teacher is teaching. So when do you go to school? When does a teacher teach? She teaches you in daytime, not in night. So draw a line, day. Then you see the next image. A boy is sleeping. So when do you sleep? You sleep at night. So draw a line towards night. Then you see a family is watching television. So when do you watch television? When you are free at night time. So draw the line towards night. And see the fourth image. Children are going to school. So when do you go to school? You go to school during the daytime. So draw a line towards day. Understood, children? Then next you see, children, we measure time in days. There are different parts of a day. The parts of a day are morning, midday, afternoon, evening and night. So the 5 parts of a day are morning, midday, afternoon, evening and night. Now we will see what we do in the morning. We wake up in the morning. We take bath in the morning. We eat breakfast in the morning. We go to school in the morning. So these all are the works which you do in the morning. You wake up, take a bath, eat breakfast, get ready and then go to school. We eat lunch around midday. So what do you do around midday? You have your lunch. Then what we do in the afternoon, let us see. We have music class in the afternoon. We come back home from school in the afternoon. So in the afternoon, you have your music class or dance class or any other painting class, whichever you want. We come back home from school in the afternoon. So in the afternoon, you come back home. We play in the evening. So what do you do in the evening? You play in the evening. We do homework at night. We see TV at night. We take dinner at night. We go to bed at night. So at night time, what do you do, children? You complete your homework which was given by your teacher. Then after completing your homework, you watch TV. Then you have your dinner. And then at last you go to bed at night. You sleep at night. Understood what all you do in the morning, midday, afternoon, evening and night? Now let us see sequence of events. This is Sumit. He is a nice boy who does all his work properly on time. So this is Sumit and he does all his work on time. Then see children, exercise 2. Observe the following pictures and put them in proper sequence by numbering 1 to 6. So the children are going to school. A child is watching TV. Children are studying in the class. A child is playing. A child is taking a bath. A child is having breakfast. So first what he'll do? He will have a bath. So put number 1. After completing his bath, he will have his breakfast. So put number 2. After he has completed his breakfast, he will take the school bus and he'll go to school. So put number 3. Once he reaches school, he will study in the classroom. So put number 4. After completing his studies, he will play games. He will play football. So put number 5. After playing at night time, he'll watch TV. So put number 6. So the sequence is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, children? Then let us see, children, duration of an activity. Every activity or every work needs some amount of time to finish, and some activities they take more time and some activities they take less time. For example, if you want to have a piece of chocolate, it will take very less time. But if you want to have your entire lunch, it will take more time. So some activities they take more time and some activities they take less time. Now we will see exercise 3. Tick the activity that takes longer and cross the activity that takes less time. So what you have to do is, you have to tick the activity which takes more time and you have to cross the activity which takes less time. Now let us see. Brushing your teeth. So it will take 2 to 3 minutes, which is less time. So put a cross. Brushing your teeth, cross. Switching on a fan. You have to just switch on the fan. So very less time. So put a cross. Playing in the evening. You will play at least for half an hour or 1 hour. So it will take more time. It will take longer. So put a tick. Playing in the evening, tick. Eating your lunch, tick. Taking a bath, tick. Tying your shoelace, cross. Listening to one song. So you just have to listen to one song. You don't have to watch the entire movie. So it will take less time. So listening to one song. Drinking a glass of milk. So put a cross. It will take less time. So children, till exercise 3, you will complete in your book. Okay, children? Thank you.